Something very special for you here. It's a Mach 1 Cortina that's done 228,000 miles, and it is absolutely out of this world. And it's always looked like this. He drives it. He does everything with it. But I've always admired this car so much that I determined we're going to get a video, and it's a bit tight to things, but I'm going to try and get as much as I can in for you. I mean, Jim wants a car. He says I can gladly have a look inside, but look at that.
All original inside.
Totally original. Even the steering wheel don't look like it's been touched. Credit to its owner, and an absolute credit to Ford for still going. Absolutely beautiful. I know it's not a Zephyr, but you're going to have to live with it, because if it ever had a chance of coming my way, to be sat there with Zephyrs. Look at chrome glistening. So out of this world. It is a 1.2, isn't it, Jim?
Yeah.
1.2 pre-cross flow, and this is a gentleman who owns it. So, and this is why it's in this condition, because he nurses it. He's drove it here.
50 mile an hour.
50 mile an hour. He's told me that before. So
That's its original invoice.
it's got its original invoice, look here. Now if that ain't something a bit special for you, I don't know what is. There's a bit of a write-up about it. $720 awards in his 34 years of ownership. Absolutely fantastic. I'm not a big of a fan of some of them when they're fully restored, but this is a quality job. So anyhow, give us a like if you like video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see stuff like this, and pass a comment. I'll come back to you. Thanks very much, folks. Bye for now.